Congratulations, autonomous taxis have now arrived to Peace River Town. But what does that exactly mean? How can a car with a mind of its own guarantee the safety for our citizens? Today, we're going to give you an explanation on how such cars work and their features regarding their functionality. This here is a very basic design of one of our autonomous taxis, including their sensors such as GPS systems, video cameras, radar sensors, and more. We are planning to use an app called the Peace River Taxi app, which can be used to call the nearest taxi available. The taxi would then use the input from GPS systems and feature maps. A GPS, or a global positioning system, works by taking photos as input from the satellites on top of the Earth's surface. This allows there to be a photograph of the place, just like a map. The idea of feature maps is to understand the features present in the map in order to understand the surroundings of the car. This will then be merged by a process called sensor fusion, which merges input from different devices to make a digital map of the area, with all of its features such as traffic lights and stop signals present in the map. Using this, the car will be able to determine the fastest route from one destination to another. Now, let's talk about how the car will behave while it is on the road with passengers on board. While in motion, if there's an obstacle present in front of the car, it will automatically come to a pit stop. Now, how does that occur, you ask? These cars, as stated previously, are equipped with video cameras and sensors that allow to detect objects. For example, one of these sensors, LiDAR scanners, or light detection and ranging scanners, are used to detect objects by emitting a pulse from a laser to collect measurements. Its partner, radar scanners, is to detect objects at a distance by transmitting radio waves. Radar sensors can be used to determine the distance and speed of an object in front of the car. Both of these are located at the top and front of the car. Apart from that, the car is also equipped with a video camera. This is important because some data that is not present in the digital maps can be captured by the camera. The cameras are located on the front and rears of the car. But how does a car classify an object? This is done by the object detection system, a device that is related to image processing and defines and detects objects such as infrastructure, cars, humans, road signs, and etc. Now, after collecting all this data, where and how does it get processed? Inside the autonomous taxi, there's a central computer which catches data. This is where all the input from the scanners and sensors arrive, and this is where it is processed. The computer uses a network called the Convolutional Neural Network, or CNN, which is a set of neural networks that have been proven to be very effective in areas such as image recognition and classification. By classification, it means that it has the efficiency to assign importance to the objects present in front of the car. CNN is a type of deep learning algorithm. Deep learning is a machine learning technique that is used to filter images into different layers. Fun fact, deep learning has been designed to replicate the processing of the human brain and its neurons. Other than that, there's another type of learning called end-to-end learning, a complex type of learning system that allows the process from the sensors to the motor of the car in one single network. This is important because the system automatically learns the necessary process, such as detecting useful road features easily. Using this, the computer can recognize objects in front of the car and make the appropriate decisions necessary for the safety of people inside and outside the car. Therefore, with your contribution, we can successfully build an environment that is safe for both the society and for the environment in which we live. Thank you for watching.